So let's talk about what actually changed from the previous category with regular Paal verbs. When the first root letter of the verb is one of the four guttural letters, Aleph, Chet, Hey, or Ein. So the conjugation in the present and in the past tense remains unchanged, and the infinitive of the verb changes. So we had regular Paal verbs like lilmod, livdok, liskor, lilbosh, lichtov. This is the regular pattern for Paal verbs. And we had the first guttural letters like Ein, Chet, Aleph, and the infinitive changes from the pattern lilmod, livdok to la'azor, la'avod when the Ein is the first letter, and le'echol when the Aleph is the first root letter, and lachzor when the Chet is the first root letter. So this is just an explanation to wrap it up. That's it for this lecture. We're going to see each other in the next one.